और देखो सब काम करा रहे हैं।
Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon,
beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Very good afternoon to all of you. Okay, how are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Fine. Little children grown big, huh? From class 2 to class 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes, ma'am.
excited?
Yes.
All excited for your new class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
excited. Yes, ma'am.
All excited to study more subjects?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No excited.
So
Good morning, ma'am.
So excited. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay. So do you know who am I?
Ma'am,
I am Neha, ma'am. Very clever, very smart. You have seen on my window, huh? You have seen my name on the window.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what I'm going to teach you? How do you know I will teach you SST?
Ma'am, it's in the timetable.
Yes.
It is in the timetable.
Very clever.
Don't teach us SST.
Very clever. Very clever. All of you are very clever. You've seen my name on my screen. You've seen your timetable and you have guessed it all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in first class you also teach us French.
Yes, you have studied French from me.
Yes, excuse me, ma'am.
Very nice. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
beta.
me, ma'am.
One by one.
Ma'am, I know.
Athar, beta, please wait. When one child is speaking, what you have to do? You have to mute yourself. Wait for one child to finish. Yes, say Anita. Who was saying? Krishti Verma.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Krishti, say.
Ma'am, I know French some alphabets.
Okay, very nice. Yes, Mokshit, what are you saying?
Ma'am, is it this book?
Yes, beta, it is this book.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now who was saying, who is that boy? Athar Singh was saying. Athar, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying I know how to speak hello in French.
How? Tell me.
Bonjour, no.
Bonjour. It's bonjour.
Bonjour.
Very,
Bonjour.
very nice.
Ma'am, I know Spanish.
Ah, what do you know in Spanish?
I can speak.
Yes. What can you speak in Spanish? Say hello to all of us.
Konnichiwa. I can say the man. Ma'am, I know hello in Spanish.
What is hello in Spanish?
Hola.
Hola. Yes. In Spanish, hello is hola.
Ma'am, and I can say the man also.
The
El
man.
hombre.
Okay. What is the man?
Ma'am, I know in Korean hello.
What? You know so many things. So many children know so many different things. That is so nice.
I know in French to 6 only.
You know in French, what do you know?
Ma'am, I know the counting French in 6 only.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, beta, don't tell. If you all are going to tell what you know in foreign languages, it is going to be a foreign language class. Yes? SST class will disappear. It is going to be a foreign language class then.
Ma'am, you teach French to my sister in 6th class.
Okay, very nice. What is her name?
Ma'am, Rupanshi Agrawal.
Rupanshi. All right.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, have you teached Ashray?
Yes, I have taught Ashray. I have taught Ashray.
Konnichiwa, ni hao.
He's my brother.
Very good. Yeah, just Joshi. Very nice.
I know how to say hello in Chinese and Japanese. Konnichiwa and ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao is which language?
It's in Chinese. In Chinese, we say ni hao. That means hello. And in Japanese, we say konnichiwa. That means hello.
Okay, very nice. So where did you learn this, Yajas?
In my 2nd class last chapter GK book.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, in Korean language, hello is saying Anya Goslo.
Oh, Anya Goslo. Yes. Very nice. Very good. So nice to learn from you little children. These small things, but it is so nice to learn from your mouth. Very good. Very nice.
Tell some alphabets of French.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. So how was your first day today?
Alphabets of French.
Okay, tell Krishti, you also tell.
Okay, ma'am. A, B, C, D.
No, it is not like that because I
I
know
know counting till 4 in Spanish.
Okay, it is A, B, C, D. Okay, Krishti, it's not A, B, C. It's A, B, C, D. Yes.
Can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, the counting is on the cat S.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, should I tell counting till 3 in
Yes.
Spanish?
Yes, tell.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Okay, wonderful.
Suprabhat, ma'am.
Suprabhat. Yes, Suprabhat. Huh? I'm your Hindi teacher. What did you say? Suprabhat. Did I hear it right? This is what he said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So he is wishing me good morning in Matrubhasha. But beta, good morning to chali gayi. It's 12 o'clock से भी ऊपर. अब बताओ good afternoon को हिंदी में बताओ क्या कहते हैं? Yes, Yajas, you tell.
Ma'am, din.
Sudin. So we will say Sudin. Good afternoon.
Din.
I don't understand this. Did. I don't understand.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I go to toilet?
Yes, Raghavi Neha Nehalani. Okay, Raghavi Nehalani. Shubh Madhyan. Very good, very nice. Okay, now children see, for your online or offline class, has any teacher told you about the hand signs today since morning? that we are going to use some hand signs in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Who told you?
Yes, ma'am.
Which teacher told?
Ma'am. Maria. Ma'am, Maria, ma'am.
Okay. So can you please tell me what all hand signs she taught you?
Times.
Times. Okay. Break. Then
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we say yes by raising thumbs up. We say no by doing no thumb.
Down, thumbs up down. If we say something, we have to raise hand.
yes. And you understand something, you show a thumbs up. You don't understand, you show a
Yes,
Thumbs up down.
thumbs down. Then you need a
Thumbs
break.
down, ma'am.
You say this. If you want your teacher to repeat something, you say,
ma'am,
yes.
hand up, hands up.
Yes. And if you want to ask any other thing apart from these common things, so you will raise your hand. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the means of SST?
SST means social studies. S for social, ST for studies. Social studies. Okay?
Ma'am, maybe it is also called social science.
So it is called S, then SC.
SST.
We also call it social science.
SST. Social
Yes, social science also
SST.
we call it.
Can we start our class?
Okay, so to begin our class, just tell me, everyone has got this book? All of you have this book, Expeditions?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to open this book to page number 7. Yes?
Man, the universe chapter.
Yes, chapter 1, Universe.
The universe, ma'am.
The universe. Do you know what is a universe? What do you know about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
universe?
Yes, ma'am. Some lines.
Yes.
Center of the Milky Way galaxy. There are 8 planets. Names are Mercury, Venus, Mars,
Okay,
Jupiter,
just tell me what is
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
universe?
Excuse me.
There are lots of galaxies.
In universe, there are a lot of galaxies. Okay. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Athar?
Okay, ma'am. The universe is a huge space that holds everything, all living things, the sun, planets, moon, galaxies and stars, dust and clouds, etc.
Very nice. Okay, you also tell.
Excuse me, ma'am. There has 8 planets. There was a sun, there was moon, there was Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Neptune.
All right. So universe is a huge space that has everything like the sun, planets, moon, dust and clouds and galaxies. Yes, universe is
Ma'am,
that it also has the living being. So where do we live? We live in the universe. We are a part of this universe. Are we a part of
Yes,
this universe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now what you will do? Everybody will listen to me first and you want to speak something, you will raise hand. I can see only 4 hands raised. Rest all students are saying, excuse me, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Yes, Saksham Kumar, what do you want to ask?
Excuse me, ma'am. I know
Be quiet. Who is saying excuse me? You want to say something? Raise your hand. Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, I know what is universe.
Okay, very good. Agre, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, should I tell all the planets?
No, I didn't ask right now. Ragvin. Who is Ragvin? You want to say something? Yes, Raghavin. Say, beta, don't waste time.
Ma'am, universe is a made. Universe is as universe as dust, smoke, dust.
Okay, beta, mute yourself. We will study in the chapter. Okay, then you will come to know what a universe is, what the universe is. Okay.
Okay.
Now, everybody listen. See, it is given take off. Take off is given in the beginning of the lesson. Everybody just fill this take off. We live on planet dash, which is a part of the dash. So where do we live? Which planet do we live in?
Earth.
Earth.
Ma'am, we live in Earth, which is the part of our solar system.
Yes, which is a part of our solar system. Write it down. Write down.
Earth is called blue planet.
The Earth is the dash planet from the sun. Wait, first write the first fill in the blank. Children, please give me 1 minute. I'll just drink water and come.
The Earth is a blue planet. Earth is the planet from the sun, and the Earth is the only planet we get water and we can live there.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, beta, say.
ma'am, I have done the takeoff.
Take off. Okay. The Earth is the dash planet from the sun. So now see, on next page, a diagram is given to you. And there it is written, the names of all the planets are written. So just count. This fill in the blank says, the Earth is the dash planet from the sun. Is it the first planet, the second planet, the third planet, or the fourth planet?
Earth.
Third. If we count from the sun, it is the third planet from the sun. Write it down.
Ma'am, that is full.
Yes?
That is full.
Sorry?
Should I tell from the start?
Yes, tell.
We live on planet Earth, which is the part of the solar system. The Earth is the third planet from the sun.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the first fill in the blanks? Me, ma'am.
We live on the planet Earth. Where do we live? You don't know where you live, on which planet you live?
Ma'am,
Earth, which is a part of the solar system.
Solar system.
Which is a part of the solar system.
Orbit Ma'am, planets and a sun.
Yes.
Planets and a sun.
Planets and a sun means what? Yes, Atharv Singh, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, Mercury is the closest planet from the sun.
Yes, closest to the sun is Mercury. Now see,
Mercury is
who is talking? Raghavi Nehlani. Raghavi Nehlani. Mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell what is a galaxy?
Wait. Agre, wait. What, Raghavi, what are you saying?
Ma'am, can I tell what is galaxy?
Beta, we have not come on to that. What is a galaxy? Be quiet. Till the question does not come, please don't disturb the class like this. Then, warm up. Come to warm up. Which celestial body gives light to all the planets in the solar system? Which celestial body? Yes, the sun. Very good.
Ma'am, sun. The sun.
Yes,
The sun.
the sun gives light to all the planets in the solar system. Now, who will read? I will make all of you read this chapter. Nobody is going to speak in between. I am not going to listen to anyone. I am just going to mute all of you, and one by one I will make you read. Okay? So let us start with Anya Gupta. You will read first.
Okay, ma'am. Chapter number 1, the universe. Have you ever observed the sky? The sun shines brightly during the day. If you look at the night sky, you will find small twinkling stars dotting the night sky, and the moon glowing bright. The sun, moon, and stars, along with the planets, are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. The universe. The universe is a huge space that holds everything, all living things, the sun, planets, moon, star, galaxies, dust, and clouds. A galaxy is a huge collection of plants, stars, dust, and gases. There are many galaxies in our universe. Fact, yes. According to the Big Bang theory.
Okay, wait. Keep waiting now. Have you ever observed the sky? What do you mean by observe? Observing means to look very closely or look very deeply into something. So, have you ever observed the sky? Have you ever observed it? कभी देखा है बहुत देर तक कि sky कैसा होता है? Yes, the sun shines brightly during the day, like how it is shining right now. Is it shining brightly?
Yes, ma'am.
If you look at the night sky, now in the night we find small dotted twinkling stars. Yes, and the moon glowing bright. We have white bright moon in the sky and stars. The sun, moon, and stars, along with the planets, are called celestial body or heavenly bodies. Underline this line. Now you have to learn this as your fill in the blank from in between. The sun, moon, and the stars with the planets are called dash and dash. Celestial bodies and heavenly bodies. Okay? Then, who will read the universe? Urja Agarwal. Urja Agarwal is going to read. Let me unmute you.
Okay, ma'am. The universe. The universe is a huge space that holds everything, all living things, the sun, planets, moons, stars, galaxies, dust and clouds. A galaxy is a huge collection of planets, stars, dust and gases. There are many galaxies in our universe. Dotting. Something
No.
that
Fact.
you...
Better read out fact quest.
Okay, ma'am. Fact quest. According to the Big Bang theory,
Theory.
approximately 12 billion years ago, all the objects in the universe packed into small dense mass were hurled in all directions by the big explosion. As the fragments slowed down, the galaxies and stars evolved, but this universe is still expanding.
Okay, so now we see that the universe, it is a huge space and it has got everything. We human beings live in the universe, the sun, the moon, the stars, everything is a part of the universe. Then a galaxy. Now what is a galaxy? Galaxy is a huge collection of planets, of dust, gases and stars. There are many galaxies in our universe. There are different galaxies in the universe. Now, according to the Big Bang theory, it is some kind of a theory that approximately 12 billion years ago, long back, when we were not even born, our ancestors were also not born. It is long back at that time. All objects in the universe packed into a small dense mass were hurled in all the directions. There was a small dense mass that was packed. So what happened? Suddenly an explosion happened. It blasted. There was an explosion and these were all hurled in all the directions by a massive explosion. Massive means very big. By a very big explosion, this small dense mass was hurled in all the directions. What do you mean by hurl? Hurl is to throw something very forcefully with a great push, with like throwing something very violently. So as the fragments slowed down, the galaxies and stars evolved, but the universe is still expanding. As the fragments slowed down. So this is what happened. Okay. Now next, solar system. Coming on to the solar system. Priyansh Johari will read.
The Sun, its family of 8 planets, their satellites or moons, and other celestial bodies like
Celestial.
asteroids and comets form the solar system. The solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. There are 8 planets in the solar system in the order of their distance from the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Okay, very nice. Now, the sun, see what is in the solar system? The solar system has the sun and its 8 planets. The sun has a family of how many members? The members are 8 planets. Okay, the 8 planets are known to be the sun's family. We have different family members in our families. So this is how sun has different planets and also their satellites and moon and other celestial bodies. There are different celestial bodies that appear that are in the galaxy. So they all belong to the sun's family. ओके हम ऐसा मानते हैं कि सन की फैमिली में कौन कौन आता है. सन की फैमिली में क्या आता है बताओ सबसे पहले. प्लैनेट्स, मून, यस, सैटेलाइट्स and other celestial bodies like asteroids and comets. There are different members in the family of sun. Then the solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Solar system कहाँ है? Solar system Milky Way galaxy में आता है. It is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. There are 8 planets in the solar system. All of you, I'm sure, know the names of 8 planets. Yes? There are 8 planets in the solar system in the order of their distance from the sun. Sun से अगर हम देखें, अगर ये sun है तो यहाँ पीछे 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 8 planets हैं. Okay? Yes? So there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now, in which order do they appear? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, this is the order. Now I will read the last line for today, which is the sun is at the center and the planets move around the sun. जो sun होता है, that is stationary. Do you know the sun does not move? Do you know this? Okay, let me tell you. The sun remains at one position. Say suppose this is the sun. It remains at one position and all the planets revolve around it. Sun, हमें लगता है कि sun move कर रहा है? No, the sun does not move. It is the planets that move around the sun in a fixed path. What is that fixed path called? The fixed path is called the orbit. Okay? All the planets move around the sun in a fixed path. The earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet that has air, water, the necessary conditions to support life. Do you think other planets also have got air and water? It has life on it? No, it does not have. Of all the 8 planets, only the Earth has got life. Why? Because it has air and water. Humans or all living beings can survive here only. अगर हम किसी और planet में जाएंगे तो हम वहां नहीं रह पाएंगे. Okay? हम चले तो जाएंगे अपने oxygen cylinders के साथ. But do you think that we will be able to survive for a long time? We are going to finish. We'll die. Okay? Now listen, everybody, take out your social studies copies. Which copies are your social studies copies? The copies that have lines on one side and the other side is plain. Yes, I'm going to give you something to draw. Okay? Got it, everyone? What you have to draw this, the solar system. Let me share screen with you. Just wait. Everybody has taken out the copy. Write down today's date. Write down the chapter's name. What is the date today? 1/4/23, isn't it? Oh, children, I will not be able to share screen. There is some problem that has come up in my laptop. Something is wrong. No, I will not be able to share the screen with you all. So what you will do, you will draw the diagram from page number 8. Everybody look up at page number 8. Draw the diagram given on page number 8. Beta, you have to do this work in your social studies copy. Your social studies copy is the one wherein you have lines on one side and the other side is plain. That is your social studies copy. Okay, anybody wants to ask anything? I have unmuted all of you. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Captain America.
This we
Yes,
have to draw.
Yes, you have to draw this in your copies. Okay, you will
Excuse
draw.
me. Excuse me, ma'am. This copy.
Yes, beta, this copy, your SST.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what we are doing? We are drawing a solar system.
yes, you have to draw solar system, the sun and the 8 planets. You have to draw. Now, nobody will speak in between while Srinav is speaking. Yes, Srinav.
I no notebook like this. I only one computer. I only one. Ma'am, no computer.
क्यों नहीं है? Where is your copy?
Like this.
Where is your copy, beta? Draw it in the rough copy right now because social studies की copy तो वही होगी, one side plain and one side lines, because you have a lot of diagrams to make. So do it in your rough copy right now. Don't waste a new copy in that. Later
copy चाहिए.
Later you can draw it.
जिनके पास वो प्लेन वाली नहीं है जिसमें
Mute
प्लेन
yourself. Mute yourself. Who is this?